George Washington Carver. George Washington Carver was a famous scientist and teacher. George invented more than 400 products made with peanuts and sweet potatoes. George was born in 1864 on a farm in Missouri. He was born a slave. George liked to study and grow plants. By 1875, he was free to leave the farm and go to school. George finished high school in 1884. He went to college in Iowa. He studied art, plants, and farming. George finished college in 1896. As an adult, George began to teach in Tustin Institute in Alabama. This school was for African Americans. George taught students about plants and farming. In the late 80s, farmers in the South began having problems growing cotton. The soil had lost many nutrients. George worked with the farmers to make the soil healthy again. George taught farmers how to grow other crops. Farmers started growing peanuts and sweet potatoes. These crops returned the nutrients to the soil. Later years, George invented many uses for peanuts and sweet potatoes. He made ink and soap from peanuts. He made molasses and rubber and glue from sweet potatoes. George gave speeches through the United States. He told people about the uses for peanuts. He also spoke to the Congress for helping farmers. George died in 1943. He is famous for inventing new ways to use crops. People remember him for helping farmers.